Hello Taurus, welcome to Clegent Tarot. We will be doing a quick mid-month check-in today. I'll be looking at two energies for you today. One will be your overall energy at this point of time for the rest of the month, and the other would be your advice, and we'll close it off with a couple of oracle cards. Let's get started. Okay, I think everyone seems to be very chatty today. Even for Aries earlier, the energies popped out very quickly. So you have the Four of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Five of Swords. Okay. So, Taurus, for you, I get a feeling that you guys have been withdrawn, been in a shell for a long time with Four of Pentacles and Queen of Swords here together. You have been closed off to people and situations around you. You have been holding on too tight to what you have and not letting anyone in. That is going to change. The energy is that you're going to move into a Page of Cups, Queen of Cups situation where you will let your emotions flow out. You let people reach out to you, and also the message here is that you might have feared that there are deceptions around you with this Five of Swords, but trust your intuitions with this Queen of Cups. She knows. She's very mature when it comes to understanding emotions, and this energy will help you differentiate between what is deceptive and what is real in your world. So let's look at the advice energy. What is your advice from Spirit and Universe? Okay, we have the Three of Pentacles, we have the Hanged Man, and we have the King of Wands. So I think clear message is you have been stuck alone in your own shell for a long time. You need to go out and mingle with people around you. Three of Pentacles is card of community support from people, your loved ones. So you need to get out of this hangman situation where you are stuck in your head and trying to find things which do not exist, right? And with the King of Wands, you need to probably step up and lead the situation. If you are withdrawn because you are going through some kind of a tough time, and that's what made you go into the shell and pull yourself out, Taurus, you need to step up into fire energy and lead. If this is regarding, say, a family situation, it can be a financial crisis with you holding on to your pentacles so tightly and you worrying about they'll flow out with the Five of Swords. If that is the mindset you drive, then you are sharing and sending out the same energy to the rest of your family or people around you. So what Spirit is saying, you need to realize that you're not just doing this to yourself but to people around yourself. So you need to step up into that maturity and be there for other people, and once you believe things will work out, they'll work out. So it's a leap of faith that you have to take, and the balance in your life will be restored. And let's pull out a card from the Oracle of the Fairies to close this message for you, Taurus. Okay, this one wanted to pop out. We have the life energy. The Fairy of Sunshine brings a lot of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadows that needs to be healed. So yes, you might have to act as a healer for everyone around you and not just be in your shell and cry about things that are not working out for you. People around you might be feeling even more disappointed, and with the Page of Cups energy, it's about reaching out for honest conversations, helping each other, and Queen of Cups is bringing in more maturity emotionally to the picture. So you might have to step up and support people around you emotionally also. Okay, we also have a card from Moonology deck pop up for you. confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. We just crossed this, right? About a week back. So in case you were planning certain things, they might come to fruition around this week. So new moon in Leo was 8th August, that was, and the energy is open till almost 12th, which is today or yesterday, depending on which part of the world you are on the day I'm recording this. So you may find this message later, but it's a very recent energy. So something in your near past has changed, and that's going to bring a positive impact in your life with this sunshine fairy coming in, right? So that's all I have for you, Taurus, today. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments below what resonated for you. Do like, subscribe. That way I get to know that you're liking the content and I can bring you more content. Thank you for listening. Bye.